Knees in the grass, shoreline glass, skipping stones where we last said forever. Your jacket on my back, wind kissing every crack in the story that we wrote together. So I'll write you a lakeside-letter on the ripples, on the breeze, every wave spelling I remember all the words you left in me. If you ever come back here, you'll find my heart right where you left it, folded in the quiet water, signed in every soft reflection. Your name in the sand, washing off my hand. Funny how the smallest plans grow heavy, the pier light blinking slow, like it somehow knows. Every night I sit and say I'm ready. So I'll write you a lakeside-letter on the ripples, on the breeze, every wave spelling I remember all the words you left in me. If you ever come back here, you'll find my heart right where you left it, folded in the quiet water, signed in every soft reflection.